Song of the Soul. Lo, the limpid lake of divine love is surging in my heart. The very sky has entered in with luminous moon and stars. O soul, O bloom of bliss, what glory hides in thee? Black bee of the mind sucks divine honey, and the fetters are loosened free. The veil of ignorance is lifted. I behold the beauteous orb of the self. No words can ever describe the bliss that sweeps over my eternal self. All names and forms have vanished. To eternity do I fly. I am that am I. I am that am I. Shri Ram, Jai Ram.